I knew that the University of Virginia had an amazing reputation and that its professors and its staff were top tier. I enrolled in the MSBA program to expand my data analytics capabilities and make myself a change maker and a decision maker in my company.
UVA was a very natural fit for me. I really wanted an opportunity to network not only with other students, but the professors and have some on-campus learning.
I really wanted to build data visualizations, data analytics, predictive analytics. So I just felt like this was the natural next step.
When I was trying to narrow down which programs I was going to accept, the brand appeal of both Darden and McIntire was definitely a deciding factor.
So if you think about these two schools together, we have combined alumni network, corporate relations, admission teams, the career teams, so students can get the benefits from both schools.
And this program is really helping me understand how to effectively communicate data and make it usable for senior leadership. I'm able to more effectively present my data and tell a story with my data in a way that will make change.
You get to do real market research, and then you get to actually take the Python, Tableau, data analytics type stuff, apply that to what you're researching, and then actually learn how to do executive presentations.
A lot of my peers in the program were able to take the education and jump into a brand new job opportunity. But I went from a marketing role into this product management space, and this program absolutely helped me.
When AI make coding, technical problems very easy to execute, then the complementary skills like taste, judgment, creativity, vision become even more valuable. That is something that is very, very unique in our program. We want the students to become a leader in the AI era.